A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Kharmalim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Hello and welcome to the 198th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host, RJ Brand of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. The headlines this week. HR Summit fosters collaboration between industry and youth. Salesian Youth Movement brings joy to children's home. First Communion book for parents launched. Salesian's post-ordination song video goes viral. The news in detail. India HR Summit fosters collaboration between industry and youth. Ms. Vinci Eromias reports from Chennai.
Don Bosco Valigati, in collaboration with Don Bosco Arts and Science College, Surabhi, Mastro and Tech Mahindra Foundation and the DB Job, organizing the HR Summit 2024 on 20th February 2024 with the theme Reforming Industry by Transforming the Youth. The summit held at Don Bosco Arts and Science College garnered attention from 50 enthusiastic youths representing various colleges and HR managers. It was a platform for meaningful discussion, fostering collaboration between the industry professionals and youth leaders with a shared vision of driving transformative change in the workforce. The highlight of the summit was captivating speech by the Guinness record holder and also a body language trainer, Professor Herman Cardus, who enlightened the audience on the art of visualization. Professor Cardus also moderated the panel discussion, guiding participants through insightful conversations. The panel comprised distinguished members of 8 higher educational institutions.
Vinci Eromias reporting. In the heart of every dream lies the power to inspire. Introducing a timeless masterpiece that captures the essence of a visionary's dream. Behold the embodiment of Don Bosco's dream at 9 years of age, a symbol of hope, compassion, and the unwavering spirit to make a difference. Transform any space into a sanctuary of inspiration with our exquisite statues and murals. Perfect for schools, churches, and community centers, a constant reminder of the power of dreams. Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. churchart.ganguly@gmail.com 919831020945. India Salesian Youth Movement brings joy to children's home. Mona Lisa Rimbai reports from Shillong.
Members of the Salesian Youth Movement of St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Shillong, marked Random Acts of Kindness Day on 23rd of February 2024 with a visit to children's home. Brother Ricky Kemenlang Maulong at the Rilang Children's Home welcomed the SYM members and introduced both the institution and the essence of the Salesian Youth Movement to the children. The visit was characterized by acts of altruism and generosity as the SYM members engaged the children in praise and worship activities, creating an atmosphere of jubilation among the children. This interaction not only brought joy to the children, but also highlighted the profound impact of community and compassion in uplifting those in need.
Mona Lisa Rimbai reporting. India First Communion book for parents launched. Father Gilbert Chundal reports from Bangalore.
This book is the result of my experience with the catechists who were involved in the catechesis for the first Holy Communicants in a parish for 2 years. Their catechesis was primarily on teaching prayers. Recognizing the need for a comprehensive guide, this book was developed to assist catechists and parents. This manual, in addition to the traditional First Holy Communion books, provides insights into the meaning of prayers, teaching children how to pray and meditate, suggesting activities and projects, conducting practical sessions on the sacraments, and offering content for sessions involving parents of the candidates. It is a 360-degree plan for the First Holy Communion with a follow-up plan for the Post-Communion Catechesis. The book was released by Father Savio Silvera SDB, the Provincial of Bombay, during the annual meeting of Indian Catechal Association at Don Bosco, Matunga, Mumbai on 22nd February 2024.
Father Gilbert Chundal reporting. Korea, Salesian's post-ordination song video goes viral. Father C.M. Paul reports.
Salesians who were ordained priests and deacons last January made waves with their post-ordination Thanksgiving song. Their performance in the church included live music and dance, with lyrics reflecting the dynamism and energy of a Salesian dedicated to youth ministry. Set to a popular Korean anthem music with some adaptation of the lyrics, the song appeals for solidarity from the audience while vowing their priestly commitment as Salesians. The packed audience in the church cheered the new Levites, expressing their approval and support. Here's the song. Enjoy the powerful music and lyrics.
나는 다시 태어나 싸울 거야. 한 번 더 나에게 질풍 같은 용기를 거친 파도에도 불하지 않게.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.